friends, this is my channel Learn Everything. Guys, please click subscribe and like and share my video. Hello guys, today topic is WhatsApp leading countries by number of users. Let's go into the video. Number 10, UK. 27.6 million people using WhatsApp in UK. Number 9, Spain. 30 million people using WhatsApp in Spain. Number 8, Italy. 33 million people using WhatsApp in Italy. Number 7, Germany. 44 million people using WhatsApp in Germany. Number 6, Russia. 54 million people are using WhatsApp in Russia. Number 5, Mexico. 57 million people using WhatsApp in Mexico. Number 4, Indonesia. 60 million people using WhatsApp in Indonesia. Number 3, US. 68 million people using WhatsApp in US. Number 2, Brazil. 99 million people using WhatsApp in Brazil. And the number 1 is India. 340 million people using WhatsApp in India.